Yep, breakfast. Here we go.
Maybe we should just eat around here. That's it.
Of course. Yeah, let's go around here. Good? We good? All right. All right. Let's, day 3, reverse mirrors out. A lot of you guys are saying how it's operator error. Doesn't matter if it's operator error. It shouldn't allow it to be an error. But you know, there's a lot of idiots like me out, right? And I'm really surprised that they allow that to happen. However, we are starting day 3. Well, I guess I went the wrong way. See you later, Country Inn and Suites, Birch Run, Michigan. Now we're going to be doing a U-turn because it's going to rain all day in the Mackinac Bridge. So now we are going to go down through. So now we are going to do the Chicago Route 80 nightmare everybody's telling me to stay away from, but it will be dry. So if we go the Mackinac way, Mackinac Bridge, 100% rain all day. So, don't want that. I'm already all fueled up. We're gonna stop here at Mickey D's, grab a pancake, cup of coffee. Oh, there's Starbucks right there too. There's a lot of stuff here. We are in Birch Run, Michigan, but not for long. Oh, there it is on that side. I thought it was on the other side. It seems so close. Seems so close, but so far. What's going on, everybody? Nice, slow maneuver. You know, a guy gave me a good tip too. He said, your passenger on, babe, look left, because I'm going to turn left. Look left. He says, if you look the way I'm turning at very slow speeds, look right now. We'll have to try that. Let's practice that together. But now, do you guys just shut this off, or do you put it in neutral first? Sometimes I catch myself doing both. I don't know what your opinion is. Also, what do you guys think about when you, so we'll leave it like that. When you're in like bumper to bumper traffic, what do you think about just like creeping along the side on the shoulder, but not trying to gain any, trying to cut anybody off? I was doing that yesterday. People seemed they were liking that. They were giving me thumbs up because, you know, I can't stop on a bike. What do you guys think? Damn, this is pretty good, man. Everybody makes fun of McDonald's, but it's just pretty damn good. Sausage. Of course, I'm not making a video for McDonald's, just telling you how you gotta eat. You gotta buy every single meal when you go on a big bike trip. I tell you, people are really friendly. Really friendly. Everybody likes the bike. Everybody says how they want to go. I invite everybody, but it's difficult to get away for this long, and it's not a cheap thing too, you know. I think it is, but moto camping. Well, we'll be moto camping in Sturgis. I just don't know how long. But, yeah, it's delicious. Look, I don't mean to be videoing this, but I'm videoing you from my glasses. We'll see you later. There's my lovely wife, ready to go.